Hello, everybody, and welcome to this session. We are in part 8 of this series on what successful CEOs do. And today we are looking at this very important piece. It is like the heart, the heart of every successful business. Every successful CEO I have ever encountered or read about or worked with, they are highly customer centric. They are highly customer driven. Now, this is not just about knowing that a business operates because of customers, but this is about having this conscious, obsessive culture of serving your customers to the best of your ability. Now, customer centric means, in simple terms, putting your customers at the center of everything that you do. Your customers are at the center. You are thinking of doing this, you ask, how will this affect the customer? Whatever you are thinking of doing or whatever you're presently doing, the customers are at the center of your action. And one thing about being customer centric is that it is a business strategy. Yes. I always say that there are some businesses that they don't need new technology, they don't need new employees, they just need to reorientate how they serve their customers and they will transform their business. So being customer centric is a business strategy because it is about your focus on providing this incredible, positive, powerful customer experience before the customer buys, during their buying process, and even after that they have bought from you. You are focused on that. And one thing about being customer centric is that as a CEO, you constantly empower your employees to make decisions that benefit the customer. You constantly empower your employees to act in ways that benefit the customer. It's a constant reminder to your employees. And being customer centric means that you lead your business, you lead your company to focus on understanding the customer situations, the customer perception, and the customer expectations. These three things are very important. Being customer centric is that as a CEO, you lead your employees, you lead your company to understand the situation of the customers, their perception about the product, the company, and what they're buying, and their expectations. What do they expect from us as a company? So, this is the meaning of being customer centric. Now, what do successful CEOs really do as far as being customer centric is concerned? Number one, they develop strategies to improve customer satisfaction. Yes, you are on a mission to develop strategies to improve customer satisfaction. You're always asking yourself, what can we do to ensure that our customers are satisfied when they buy from us, when they spend their money on us? You are always asking that question. And when you ask a question, you develop the strategies to improve customer satisfaction. Number two, you foster a customer centric culture. As I was saying already, one thing you need to do as a successful CEO is to empower your employees to make decisions that benefit the customer. That is fostering a customer centric culture. You should be intentional about this, very focused on this. The third thing that you should be doing is you should be collaborating with your marketing leaders, with your sales leaders, with your operation leaders, even human resource, with all your senior leaders to ensure that whatever message is going out from the company is clearly communicating to the customers and making them understand that it is all about them, making them understand that they are the priority of the company. So you are collaborating with your employees, with your senior managers, let's say your marketing managers, and you're making sure, hey, let the marketing message that is going out, let that message clearly, let the message be clearly communicated, clearly crafted, communicated in a way that the customers understand and know what to do. The next thing you should be doing is, which is very critical, very important, you should regularly gather feedback from customers and analyze this feedback and make decisions. Gather feedback from customers. For example, you're constantly asking customers, please drop us your reviews, write about us, give us feedback. When you gather this feedback, don't ignore it, don't keep it. Analyze the feedback. Analyze the feedback. And when you analyze the feedback, make decisions. Work with your team. Make decisions. Let customers see that you are acting on the feedback. Sometimes you can even go further and say, oh, based on this feedback from this particular customer, you can ask for their permission if they want to be mentioned publicly. Based on this feedback from this customer, we are changing this, we are doing this. It makes people to feel that they are recognized and their input is accepted and that they are the priority of your company. The next thing you should be doing is ensure products and services meet the needs of your customer. This is very important. This should be the foundation of your leadership as a CEO. Ensure that the value you're creating, the product you are producing, your packaging you're delivering meets the needs of your customers. This is where you need to do customer research. Talk to them. Make sure that what you're producing solve their pain points, solve their problems. Very critical. Next, you need to implement effective customer relationship management strategies. One of the most important things when it comes to having the right customer culture is how you manage the relationship that exists with your buying customers, with the customers who are already buying from you. How are you managing this relationship? Customer relationship management is just the process that you have laid down, or the strategy you have laid down, or even a software that you have developed or you have bought that enables your organization to manage the interaction with the customers. Do you have a strategy? Do you have a system that you manage the interaction with the customers? What is the system? When a customer comes into the business until they leave and while they are still using what they bought from you, is there a system to manage this relationship? It is very critical for your business. And lastly, engage directly with customers to understand their needs and concerns. Sometimes you can visit your customers, you can pay them a visit, you can organize focus groups, you can invite them for dinner, customer night out, customer dinner party. Invite the buying customer, the highest number of buying customers. Invite them for hangout. Directly engage with them. This is beyond getting feedback. This is about engaging with them in a direct way to understand their needs and their concerns and their next expectations from your business. If you get this right, as a CEO, you will get your business right, because there is no company, there is no business that exists to serve itself. Every business, all companies exist to serve customers. And when you're able to serve your customers right, you will always be in business. So, highly be customer centric. It is the foundation of your business success. Thank you for following, and I hope that you picked up a couple of things on what you will start doing so you can move your business forward. Keep building that dream, and when you face challenges, make sure you gain more knowledge. I always believe that there is no business problem that cannot be solved. What you need is higher knowledge, superior wisdom, superior resources, more tools, more support, and you will solve that particular problem. Your dreams are valid, that legacy is possible. Keep building. Cheers.